Hello, my name is Wilmer Avellaneda. Hello, teacher and classmates. I am 24 years old. I live in Mosquera, Cundinamarca. I work in Bimbo as a mechanic. I work the member of my family. My mother is Carmenza. My father is Hector. My sister is Lina. My brother is Rubén. With you whom you live, I live alone. I am studying electronic engineer. I like hiking. I like reading horse. I like sports and listen to music. I like reading horse. I like fishing. I like driving car. I love eating meat. I dislike vegetables. I dislike swimming. I dislike scuba diving. I dislike climbing. I visit Coveñas 2 years ago. A very nice city. I mad about tour. I visit the Ciénaga Caimanera. Next month, I am going to travel to Boyacá. I am going to visit my parents. I am going to see Christmas lights corrales. I am going to visit my grandmother. I am going to see girlfriend tomorrow. I am going to remodel the house the day after tomorrow. I will go holiday next week. Thank you.